What we're hoping for is that everybody will remember that it's a constitutional right to be considered or presumed innocent until proven guilty.
The trial against 6 people charged in connection to a shooting at a mall in Greenwood has ground to a halt for now. Last year, 6 young men were charged with multiple crimes in that case, including attempted murder. Now the judge has thrown out the indictments in this case. 7 News reporter Ann Maxwell explains what is going on here. Ann?
Amy, the judge's decision came down to an issue involving the grand jury, but the prosecutor says this case isn't over yet.
The case against 6 men accused of a shooting in a mall was ready to go. The jury was picked and the courtroom was packed, but then the judge threw out all 18 indictments.
Well, I think he made the right decision.
Defense attorney Charles Gross filed the motion to quash the indictments. He represents one of the suspects, Shaheem Freeman. The other 5 men accused in the case each have their own attorney. All of them except the counsel for Isaiah Watley signed on to the motion.
It just felt like, everybody was already dressed and ready for the game, so to speak, and we were ready, prepared to go forward.
The motion cites issues with the grand jury, which is a group of citizens who decide whether charges should be brought in a case.
I had 3 problems with the indictments in this case.
He says, 1, he doesn't know that the grand jury knew enough about their role.
The second had to do with the witness who testified in front of the grand jury.
He says a procedural rule was broken when the witness for the case wasn't listed on the indictments. According to Gross, the state brought the same officer as a witness for all 100 of the cases brought before the grand jury that day, and that officer wasn't involved with the mall shooting investigation.
That was a shortcut that they took, and because they didn't comply with the statute, the judge did the right thing.
Gross also said the grand jury didn't have enough time to do their job.
That's less than 1 minute per indictment to hear the testimony, to discuss what the testimony was, and to be able to vote on each individual indictment.
The judge disagreed with their argument about time, but he did agree that the wrong person testified and tossed all 18 charges.
Wow.
8th Circuit Solicitor David Stumbo said his office plans to present new indictments on the same charges to the county grand jury next month, and they hope to bring the case for trial again in October. Amy?
And thank you. As for the suspects, you may be wondering about them. Well, 4 remain out on bond, 2 remain in jail.